pinakahihintay po natin by Coach Sally Jimeno. So, ayan po. Tinatawagan ko po si Ma'am Coach Sally. Take it away, Coach.
Ayan, so good morning everyone. My name is Coach Sally Jimeno from San Pedro, Laguna po ako. No, before Herbalife, no, sobrang dami ko pong mga discomfort na nararamdaman sa aking katawan. Dati po ako'y constipated, sobrang laging ngalay at saka yung masasakit yung kamay at baraso ko, laging masakit yung likod ko. So ganyan po ako before Herbalife. Sobrang thankful ako nung na-introduce una sa Panginoon at saka sa ating Herbalife Nutrition na na-introduce po sa akin yung product. Yung pong ating Aloe Shake na ginawa ko po talaga as my breakfast at saka yung inayos ko din po talaga yung meal ko dahil talagang ang goal ko is madagdagan yung aking timbang, no? Sobrang payat ko po dati. So ang ginawa ko lang naman po, sineryoso ko yung paggamit, tuloy-tuloy, talagang consistent yung paggamit at talagang naramdaman ko yung improvement sa aking katawan na dati talaga na very unhealthy, low energy. So nung na-take ko yung ating product, no, nakaya ko na po talagang gawin yung mga hindi ko nagagawa dati. Na dati hindi ako makapag-exercise, no, ngayon po nakakapag-exercise na. At dahil sa maganda kong resulta at talagang gusto kong pagamitin yung aking family, inavail ko po yung tinatawag nating 50% or yung supervisor. Dahil hindi lang po family yung gusto kong sharean, pati yung mga friends ko na gusto ko talagang matulungan. At ang maganda po kapag 50% kayo, dito mabibigyan din tayo ng opportunity na maka-attend ng mga iba't ibang training, yung local and international training, para magkaroon tayo lalo ng confidence sa ating sarili at sa ating company. At dahil nga sa mga learnings na ito, marami tayong matututunan. So I'm so happy I found this BNC din, itong ating community na to, na talagang very supportive at saka yung community na to na masaya. Na dito lahat yung learnings, no? Hindi lang sa ma-improve yung health natin as well as yung spiritual growth, nandito po talaga. Ayan, back na po ako sa aking topic, no? Stay hydrated and stay healthy. How water supports immunity. This is according sa ating director na si Susan Bowerman. Yan po. So, yan na po. To keep you healthy, your immune system relies on a well-hydrated body. They say yun nga pong water is a key component for proper functioning ng buong katawan natin. So yung ating katawan is made up of 70% water. So kaya kailangan natin na stay well hydrated para maging healthy yung ating pangangatawan. So yung pag-inom natin ng tubig during or after a meal ay help how your body breaks down and process food. So ito yung tinatawag nating digestion. So that your body can absorb the nutrients papunta sa iba't ibang parte ng ating katawan, katulad ng organs, yung tissue na papunta sa ating mga cells. Yung water helps your body remove waste through perspiration, urination, defecation, yung pagpawis, yung pag-ihi at pagdumi, yun po. So the kidneys and liver use it to help flush out yung waste, pati yung sa mga sa mga ating intestines. Water regulates ng body temperature, no? Water uses its power to ensure your body temperature remains in a perfect harmony. 'Di ba? Katulad dito sa panahon natin ngayon, minsan sobrang mainit, tapos maya-maya uulan, tapos malamig ulit. So yung water yung tumutulong sa katawan natin na maging stable yung internal temperature ng katawan natin. Staying hydrated po is crucial to maintaining your body temperature. So tuwing gumagawa tayo ng mga physical activity or tuwing mainit ang panahon, nababawasan ang tubig sa ating katawan. Pag malakas tayong magpawis, make sure na iinom ka ng water to avoid dehydration. Excuse me. Water helps your joints and muscles to be healthy. By lubricating your joints and removing yung mga toxins. So, drinking water can decrease joint pain. So, pati sa mga muscles natin. Muscles are actually made of 15 to 20% water to help your muscles function effectively. So, kailangan nating maging hydrated all the time. So just like every other system in the body, the cells of your immune system require nutrients to do their job. So here are 3 main ways in which water na magsusupport sa ating immunity. Okay, water help your body break down the food you eat more easily. Water din po ang tumutulong with nutrients absorptions by dissolving vitamins, yung minerals, and other nutrients from your food and delivering them to the rest of your body for use. Okay, water also is an important component of another important fluid in your immune system called yung pong lymph or lymphatic fluid. So yung pong lymphatic fluid help the body fight infection, helps remove yung water production, yung toxins, waste products, yung toxins, and yung mga impurities from your body, including po yung bacteria at saka yung mga viruses yan. Also, kung yung statin na tumutulong mag-protect ang outside ng body natin sa mga dumi galing sa labas, tulad ng mucous membrane naman, parang barrier, yung nagpo-protect sa inside ng katawan natin na expose sa air. Katulad po ng nostrils, yung mouth natin, yung throat, pag dry po sila, less yung effective. Kaya dapat umiinom po tayo ng tubig. Example dito, kapag tayo may ubo or may lagnat, di ba, dry yung lalamunan natin. So, ginagawa natin, umiinom tayo ng maraming water para makatulong or makabawa sa pananakit ng ating lalamunan. Yun po. So, if you find it hard to drink enough water po every day, so meron pong mga tips that might help us or help people. Ayan. So, number 1, see it. It can be easily po helpful if you can see the amount of water you plan to drink and to track your progress over the day. Put the amount of water in a pitcher or on your kitchen counter to keep it at your desk. Yung kung saan mo nakikita lagi para nakakainom ka lagi ng tubig. Next is yung cool it. Cold water often seems more refreshing than room temperature water. Try putting po a bottle of water in your freezer and carry it with you during the day. It will stay cold for several hours and you might be encouraged to drink more. Lalo na po pag mainit yung panahon, minsan masarap uminom ng water kung medyo malamig ng konti at nakaka-refresh talaga. Ayun po. And number 3, wake up to it. Morning mouth is a reminder po that most of us are naturally a bit dehydrated in the morning. So keep a glass of water by your bed and drink it first thing before your feet even hit the floor. Siyempre, pagkagaling tayo sa mahabang tulog, nag-crave yung katawan natin sa water. Dehydrated yung katawan natin, so maganda talaga na uminom ng water pagkagising. Madami ding benefits ito tulad ng it helps alertness, it fuels yung ating brain, tumutulong din na mapadumi tayo sa umaga at mag-rid ng mga toxins sa katawan natin. Okay din siya sa metabolism natin, kaya pagkagising natin, uminom agad tayo ng water, 1 to 2 glass lang po ng tubig. And then, yung flavor it. Not a frequent water drinker ka ba or tamad uminom ng water? You can try adding a simple ingredients tulad po ng lemon, ng mint, ng oranges or berries, yung cucumbers and other fruits para ma-improve yung taste without artificial sweeteners o yung tinatawag nating preservatives. Makakatulong po ito na mapalakas yung pag-inom natin ng water. Okay, next po, eat it. Don't forget yung pong watery foods like yung fruits, yung vegetables. But particularly nga po yung mga cucumber, melons, tomatoes, at saka yung leafy greens, nagko-contribute ya to overall daily fluid needs, no? So include plenty of healthy foods with meals and snacks. Maganda din po ito kasi may other nutrients na makakakuha tayo ng mga vitamins like potassium, yung sodium, and magnesium. And next, number 6, yung track it. Just like keeping track of your calorie intake, keeping track of how much water you drink can help a lot too. For example nito, pwede rin yung gamitin natin yung tumbler natin na may mga sukatan para nakikita natin kung gaanong water na yung naiinom natin. Okay, next po, set a daily goal. As a simple daily goal can help you stay motivated and work towards maintaining a healthy habit. Di ba yung laging ina-advise sa atin, drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Pero minsan, depende sa gender mo or sa weight mo. Pag sa adult women, 2 liters a day po. At pa sa mga lalaki naman, 3 liters. Ayun, so dapat meron kang goal na sinusunod every day. And next, make it a challenge. Ask your friends to join you in a healthy competition to see how meet their daily goals regularly. Okay din naman yung motivation, di ba? Kung nagkaroon kayong challenge with friends or family. Or like dun sa ating nutrition club or sa bahay ninyo, na dapat at the end of the day, magawa niyo yung goal ninyo na maubos yung water na goal ninyo for that day. Ayan. So, of course, dito sa atin sa Herbalife Nutrition, we have the perfect products that helps to keep you refreshed as a good alternative to high-calorie drink. So, our Herbalife Aloe Concentrate, yung ating Herbal Tea Concentrate, at yung bagong-bago natin na tea, yung Herbal Retreat Tea, no? Good for our digestion, nagsusupport sa ating nutrients absorption. They provide you with antioxidants, support, and boost a feeling of energy and relaxation. And most importantly ay yung hydration ng ating katawan. Okay, eto po. Please watch lang yung ating short sample video with our Herbal Aloe and Tea. Wow, 'di ba sobrang refreshing ng ating Herbal Aloe and Tea na may kasama pang mga fruits. Ayan. So thank you so much and back to you, Coach.
Ayan, thank you po, Ma'am Sally.